Hey guys, look what showed up from Benchmade today. Yeah, I was just putting my pocket knife on, that's why it took a little time. Save that. Let's see. Everything that came. The cleaner and lubricant. But then where's the knifesmith bit set? Oh, never mind. I found it. Where the? There's the lubricants. But where's the knife? This is not good, guys. Where the actual fuck is it? This is some bullshit. Here's everything that came in the box, besides the packing paper that I already threw away. The bit set did not show up, so I already emailed them. I can't show you the email that I sent them, but I can show you the email they sent me back, saying 2 to 3 business days before they'll reply back to me. And I sent them proof of the box, the paper, and the bag with the two things in it and no bits. And I'll show you the same stuff I showed them too. And I have to wait 2 to 3 days like I already explained. So hopefully they send me the bits. Otherwise, if they don't, I'm gonna ask for a refund on the bit prices. The bit price and the tax and shipping that it costs for that part, for those. And then if that's the case, then I'll buy the bits somewhere else. So hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload. I should make YouTube shorts. And keep on the depth to YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post. Bye guys, peace out. Yeah, so I mentioned to them about the one part I was missing and the order number and everything. What I received and what I didn't receive. And here's what they sent back to me. So I have to wait. So basically, I'm gonna have to wait till about Thursday before I probably get Wednesday or Thursday before I get a reply back. And then I sent them the picture of the list of all this. So yeah, hopefully they do something. So I just want to let you guys know. Oh guys, and in return, I put a 1-star review on Google Maps for them. Yep.